Hi there. I am representing WebTrackOfficial.com. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@WebTrackOfficial.com. In this video I am going to show you how you can add laser loader to your site. It is a progress bar at the top of the website's page to indicate that the next page is loading. You could see a similar UI pattern on YouTube and Medium as well. It improves your website interaction for users, with realistic trickle animations. Tell your users that something's happening. Works 100% on any desktop or mobile devices including phones and tablets. No complex HTML or JS code are needed. Just install and activate WordPress plugin and that's it. It's only for $15. So go ahead and purchase it. I've already purchased it, so let's get to the dashboard. Also, if you want to know how I created this beautiful e-commerce website using Flatsum theme, watch this video here. If you want to build e-commerce website using only free resources and theme, watch this video here. Alright, once you have made the purchase, you need to upload the plugin by going to Plugins, and Add New. Now click on Upload, and choose your file from desktop. Click Activate. Now we have a new option called Laser. Click on it to configure. Now we're in the General tab and you can see the preview here of what the loader looks like. Firstly, for the position, choose where you want your loader to appear. I would recommend top because that's where it's most visible. Now for the style, I am going to set it to monochrome. Now match the color of the loader with your site's theme. Now choose the background color, which is the color of the bar. Now adjust the height. Thin loader is great for me. Now you can adjust the speed, also you can change its animation. Now I don't want the shadow, so I am going to disable the shadow option. You can also set it to reverse direction. Let me show you the pulse style too. Here you can see a little pulse. Now just save your settings. Now I am going to slow down my video to show you the loader because I am using a local host. Here you can see the loader. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.